In Mini Legion Warband, your characters are able to AFK to farm mobs for experience and gear when you are offline. When you log into the game, an AFK info panel will show everything that character has gained while you were AFK. Once you cancel AFK, another window will populate which will allow you to collect all of those items. You are limited to the amount of open slots you have in your inventory. Then you can go to your inventory and dissolve the items if you choose to. You can then go back into the AFK backpack and retrieve another inventory full of items and repeat this until the AFK backpack is empty. The AFK backpack has a checkbox in the lower right corner that says Enable Dismantle. Once you check this box, you need to go into the Dissolve menu and select the Auto tab at the top. Use the checkboxes and the drop-down menus to select which quality of gear and levels of gear is automatically dismantled. You can also check boxes to exclude certain gear from being dismantled. When you log in after you check which items you want dismantled, any item that meets those requirements will already be dismantled in your AFK backpack.